Hello everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm so excited to share a recipe that's very close to my heart, a true taste of home from the Caucasus Mountains, Dolma. This isn't just food, it's a celebration, a dish that brings families together. Every family has their own little secret, and today I'm sharing mine with you, ready to cook up some magic. Let's get started. First, let's talk about our ingredients. The heart of our dolma is the filling. We'll start with finely minced lamb, or you can use beef if you prefer. To that, we add some round grain rice, which soaks up all the delicious juices. Now for the aromatics: finely chopped onions, a generous handful of fresh cilantro, some dill, and a little bit of mint. These herbs are what give our dolma its signature fresh and vibrant flavor. Don't be shy with them. We'll season it all with salt and black pepper. Give it a really good mix with your hands. That's the best way to combine everything and put a little love into it. Now for the star of the show. The grape leaves. I'm using preserved leaves, so I've given them a good rinse to wash off the brine. If you're using fresh leaves, you'll want to blanch them in hot water for a minute to make them pliable. Take a leaf, place it shiny side down, and put a small spoonful of our filling right in the center. Don't overfill it, or they might burst while cooking. Now, fold the bottom of the leaf up, then fold in the sides and roll it up tightly, just like a tiny, perfect parcel. It might take a couple of tries to get the hang of it, but you'll be a pro in no time. Once all our little dolmas are rolled, it's time to cook them. Arrange them snugly in a heavy-bottomed pot. Packing them tightly helps them keep their shape. I like to place a small plate upside down on top of them to keep them submerged. Now we'll pour in some broth or just water until it almost covers the dolmas. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and let them cook for about an hour or until the rice is fully cooked and the meat is tender. The whole kitchen will smell absolutely divine. And here it is. Beautiful, tender dolma, fresh from the pot. I love to serve it with a big dollop of thick yogurt or sour cream, maybe with a little garlic mixed in. Each bite is a perfect parcel of savory, herby goodness. It's the taste of tradition, of sunshine, and of home. Thank you so much for joining me today to make this special dish. I hope you give it a try and share it with the people you love. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more recipes from my kitchen. See you next time.